Cosmos is an easy to grow plant. You can start it from seeds at the beginning of winters. They will grow really fast and produce a lot of flowers all season long. And in this video you will learn all about Cosmos plant care. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the key thing in Cosmos flower plant care is the ideal season. When the season is ideal, plant grow really well, make more buds, less diseases appear, and flowers bloom fully. It's a cool area plant, grow well in winters. The growing season of Cosmos plants starts in the early winters in a temperate region, but in cold climate regions like parts of USA, Russia, Canada, and Europe, Cosmos plant is grown as a summer's plant. Simply a cool environment is ideal for growing Cosmos plants. In such areas, the summers aren't too hot like they are in temperate regions. Hope you got the idea. Simply follow the season to grow Cosmos plants, no matter you are planting their seeds, growing cuttings, or buying from a nursery. All these plays out well in a growing season. Now let's know the easiest way to grow Cosmos flowers at home, growing their seeds. These are the seeds of Cosmos plants. Make sure you buy mature, healthy and fresh seeds. They will make stronger plants. You can also buy Cosmos seeds from the description box. Now take a good seed starter like this. Its homemade recipe video is added in the description box. After moistening the soil fully, place the seeds equally apart. Add a layer of coco peat on top. Water this soil fully with a gentle spray. They will sprout within 4 to 5 days. Keep them in a fully bright and open space, otherwise they will go laggy. They will keep on getting bigger and bigger if you keep good care. After a few weeks, you can transplant each in a 5 to 6 inch pot. Do this at a cool evening. Afterwards, don't place it in a sunny area for a few days. Once they start growing again, then you can move them in a sunny area. Winters and springs are the peak blooming periods of Cosmos plants in temperate regions, while summers in cold weather regions. One of the most important things for growing Cosmos flowers at home is the soil media. It's like a fundamental thing. It should be good so the plant can grow well. In a poorly draining or a compact kind of mixture, growth never happens well. Your plants won't be able to grow fully even in the growing season. While if you use a good soil media, growth will be really well, buds will grow, flowers bloom fully and vibrantly. Ideal soil media for Cosmos plants is a loose, well-draining and a soft kind of mixture. For making a good soil at home, you can follow a recipe video from the description below and hit the subscribe button to get a useful piece of content. Another important thing in Cosmos plant care is the proper sunlight. When your plants get sunlight, naturally they make more buds and flowers. Pests attack less on such plants and overall they thrive. For Cosmos plants, sunlight is very important. Right from the seedling stage, provide good amount of sunlight. At the start, 1 to 2 hours are enough, while as the plant matures, you have to expose it to at least 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily. Direct sunlight is very healthy and essential for Cosmos plants. Deficiency of light results into several issues like yellow leaves, stunted growth, etc. So just provide 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. One thing you can do to get more flowers is the deadheading. It's a technique where we remove the dried flowers before they start making seeds. This way plant produces even more flowers. You can just cut off the flowers that are dried. Spent flowers usually have the developing seeds, and this takes the energy of the whole plant, and that's why it reduces flowering. If you keep deadheading the spent flowers, plant won't stop flowering but push even more flowers. One important thing in Cosmos plant care is the fertilizer. Plant needs nutrition to make buds and flowers. Without fertilizer, soil nutrients won't last long. Eventually they will vanish and plant will stop flowering. So better to use a good fertilizer in the growing season. This will result into bigger, fuller and vibrant flowering of Cosmos plants. You can use this homemade fertilizer. Video on this is added here. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.